So this hair I got from Ywigs. All the information for this hair, of course, will be in the description box below. So this thing right here that you see is called the Grab and Go Braids Band. I don't know if you've seen anything like this before, but I definitely have it. I thought this was super cute and convenient. So basically it's like a headband with braids at the bottom that you can hide under hats and scarves, to do like a quick little install if you gotta like run out the house real quick, or if you're having a lazy day and don't feel like doing your hair. Just different things. I'm going to show you how I installed it, but I thought this was just super cute and unique and different. In the packaging, they sent me like different hats, and scarves. So like a scarf like this one is super pretty. And then they also sent this scarf right here, this red scarf, which I really don't know how to use these, but we're going to figure it out, y'all. And then also this really, really cute hat. So I'm just going to show you different ways to style it. So if you want to see, then you got to keep on watching. Okay, so just to show you how quick and easy it is to install this unit, I am not going to speed through anything. I am going to just show you everything that I do to install it. So first of all, my hair is already in braids. I have it in like two big braids going towards the back. So right now I'm just taking my edge booster, edge wax, and just slicking back my edges, which really you don't even have to do all this, to be honest with you, like, because you're not going to see your edges or anything like that underneath the band, and you're going to be wearing a hat, so this you don't even have to do. But I just did it for the purpose of the video to make my hair and everything look neat and push back and secure, right? So now I'm going to go ahead and take the wig cap that they give you in the box. This is just a regular wig cap. I didn't have to use a sheer wig cap or anything like that. You don't even have to use a wig cap if you don't want to be completely honest with you. Because again, everything is going to be underneath a hat or a scarf or whatever. So this part is really not even necessary, but I'm just doing it for the purpose of the video. In case you do want a more like neater uniformed appearance like that. So after I slid this on, now it's time to go ahead and put on the actual unit piece. So as you can see here, it's on a long Velcro strip that you're going to place behind your head, and you're going to wrap around to the front, and then you're going to secure the two pieces together. They're on Velcro pretty much. And then you can just unsnap it. You can adjust it however you need to fit your comfortability. Now this fits most head sizes. I'm not sure about like all. You don't want to say all, but definitely most head sizes. And 1, 2, 3, you have a really cute look. Like look how full the back of the braids look already. Like this is so cute, and I love the curl pattern. The hair is so soft, and it didn't tangle, and it's definitely manageable, and this was so easy. I wore this to Target the other day. I woke up in the morning, didn't feel like doing my hair, threw this on and threw a hat on, and was out the door. And I felt so cool because I was like, ooh, I got braids. And I haven't had braids in years, y'all. I've not had braids in a very long time. So being able to have braids again without having to damage my hair was very exciting for me. I don't know, I absolutely love this. So now I'm just going to get ready to show you different ways you can style this. And like I said, they gave you some hats here. So I'm starting off with this orange hat that they gave, and you're just going to slide it over the top like this. And this is how you're going to get rid of that appearance of the wig band at the top. Look how cute this is, y'all. Like you cannot tell that I do not have a full head of braids right now. Like it's not thin in the back. There's no bands showing or nothing like that. And the curls just make it look even prettier underneath this hat. I don't know. This is just popping. I absolutely love it. So I was like, after I split it in two like this, I was like, I wonder what it would look like with some pigtails. So I decided to braid two of the sections just to kind of get a little vibe of what it will look like. So I'm just braiding them down just for some versatility. And just like that, you have two cute little pigtails. You could braid it all the way down to the bottom, but I didn't. And something else I decided to try was to put these into little buns at the end, and I thought this was so cute too. I just wrapped the braids around, each other. And then I got a little bobby pin and pinned the braid to the back of my head. And this was so cute, especially with the little beanie. Yeah, I absolutely love this style. This just shows you a lot of the versatility. Like, you don't just have to wear it down all the time. You can do two braids, you can do buns, you can put it in a low ponytail if you want to style it up. It doesn't just have to be a little unit that you use when when you don't have a lot of time. You could wear this because you want the braids look without having to get a full head of braids. You definitely save hundreds of dollars and hours of your time. And really quickly, I'm just going to show you just a few other ways that you can style it. So I wanted to try out this other hat that they sent because I love a big floppy hat like this. And I thought this was really cute with like a really nice outfit. Now, look, the hat been in a box, in a bag, and being shipped across seas, so you're gonna have to straighten it out a little bit. But once you get it together, or if you have a hat like this yourself, this is so stinking cute. I just imagine wearing something like this to like a brunch. Like, you got some nice cute flowy pants and nice flowy top with this hat, period. This looks so cute. Like, you can dress it up, dress it down. It's just showing like the versatility of this little thing. So don't feel like you're hindered because you always have to wear a hat. Like, hats go a long way. Hats and scarves and different things like that. There's different ways you can wear this thing. So really quickly, I'm just going to show you a couple of other ways that I decided to style this unit. I'm trying different things like hats and different scarves and things like that. But overall, I really love this unit. Like I said, it's definitely quick and definitely convenient. You don't have to be skilled at hair at all to throw this on. This is kind of like one of those like hat wigs, like wigs that came with hair attached to the hat, but this time you're able to like switch out the hat. So I like this a lot better than those, because with the other ones you would just have to wear the same hat over and over. This, you can choose which hat or scarf or whatever that you want to wear, so I absolutely love that. You don't have to do anything at all to your real hair underneath this. Just make sure it's up and out of the way and it can fit underneath your hat or scarf, period, because that is exactly what I need. Like, if you're busy or you're running late or whatever, throw this on. And then also, it's really comfortable. Like if you can see the band around my head, it's like a velvet band, so it's not tight or anything, and it also provides like a non-slip type of grip thing, so it doesn't slide off, and it's adjustable. Like I said earlier, it fits most heads. And it's definitely versatile with the way you style it with the hats and scarves like I'm showing you here. But definitely check this out. All the information for this little grab and go unit will be in the description box below. I definitely think you'll find this cute. I absolutely love it, and I loved being able to wear braids because, like I said, I've not had braids in like over a decade, so it was really fun being able to just play around with this for a little while. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Adios till next time.